Okay, so after installing your WordPress as we did already and you saw on the video I shared, this is where you get to bring it to your WordPress dashboard. So when you're on your WordPress dashboard, what you need to do is to start building your website. And for you to do that, you have to install a theme. So for you to install that theme, come to appearance here and you will see themes. Click on themes and then click on admin. You are going to download Astra. I will send you the link to download Astra theme. So click here, then choose the file, locate where you downloaded it to, and then click on install. It will start installing. I have it already, so I'm just going to activate it. So after installing it, it will ask you to activate. If you want to activate, so you have to go ahead and activate it. So here's the activation. Get it activated. So after activating it, you have to now come to plugins. You need a plugin that will help you to build your website, and that is Elementor. I sent you the link already to download it, or I'll send you the link also to get it. So install it and activate it. All right, so in case you don't have it, you downloaded it, you come to admin, then upload, locate where you have it. Take for instance, you want to put okay, this is Astra. You saw I downloaded it here already. So let's take for example, we want to put this plugin. So once you do that, you may click on install for instance. So I'm going to show you how to install it. So it will install like this. This is also the same way the thing will install. So it will install and show you this interface. After installation, it will now prompt you to activate. So we're going to wait for that to happen. All right, installing. So after the installation, this is what you see, activate. So you go ahead and click on activate and the plugin will be activated. All right, so let me activate my own Elementor. So that's sample of installing a plugin is the same way to install any other plugin, except you want to install online. When you click here like this, you will see all plugins here, but I'm not online, so that is why I'm not able to see, or you're unable to see samples of plugins here. And you can search for plugins. For example, you can search for Elementor here and it will show up. Then after installing, you click on it to activate. Okay, so that is it for installing what we need to build our WordPress website. So let's go back to the home page, to the dashboard, and nothing has changed. If we go to the front end of the website, this is what we are seeing. Nothing has changed yet, right? So nothing has changed. Let me be sure that I've activated my Astra theme. So my Astra theme is ready, but my website is not looking like this. Okay, so we want to build our website to look like this. What we need to do is to create pages. Come to pages and just click on pages. It will show you the two pages that are there already: privacy policy and sample page. If you go to websites, you'll see we have homepage, we have portfolio, services, about, seminars, blog, contact. All these things displayed here are called pages. So we have the contact page, we have the blog page, we have the cost testimonials, about page, services page, portfolio page, and the home page. So we want to create those pages right here so that they will display on our website here. All right, as you can see from this website, this is on blog. That's why this color is highlighted. If you look at it, the color is different from every other ones. It shows that we are currently inside the blog page. Okay, and this is the page, how they designed the artwork of the page. So we are going to design the outlook of our own page to look the way we want. Let's start by creating the pages we want. So we want to create a home page. So just call it home, don't call it home page. And then publish. So after publishing, you can copy the link, paste it here, and you see nothing has happened. It's just showing the name of the page only. So we want to start creating this page. What we will do is, if you look here, you see edit with Elementor. So you click on edit with Elementor, and this will open up the Elementor page builder for you. This is it. It has opened the Elementor page builder. So this point now, what you need to do is to start building your page. All right. So close this one. If you see here, we have things, tools that you can use to build your websites. These are tools. This is a heading. This is an inner section. Image, if you want to add image to your website. Text, if you want to write stuff on your website. Video, if you want to add videos. If you want to add button. If you want to divide between two sections. If you want to create a space between two sections. If you want to add Google Map on your website, and if you want to add icons, and we have several of them listed here, right? Yours might be with a padlock here when it comes to the general. Mine is without padlock because I'm using Elementor Pro. Okay, so for you to get this version, you have to pay for the Pro version, right? Okay, so that having said, let's go ahead and create our homepage. Now, when you enter a website, the first part you see in the website is called the hero section. Okay, so let us create a hero section where we'll have a background. So to do that, to create a section, you have to click on this plus icon here, and then select how you want your layouts to be or your structure to be. I'll explain to you as we are going. You'll be seeing what structure means. I think you understand it better when we practice. All right. So you want to add an editing tool. You click on this plus sign here, and then this will come up. Let's say we want to add two sections. We want to add inner section here. We want to add a picture and a text. So here I'm going to add a text, and that's going to be a heading. A heading because it comes out in bold. So here I can type name. Learn with right. Okay, and then we want to have so anytime you are inside here editing and you want to go back to the tools, you can click on this one. It will now show you all the tools available. So we want to put text on that, carry text and put here, and then write what you want to write. And write all the stuff. So let's take, for instance, you want to add a button here. You can also drag and drop a button, and that is it. So you can see change your text from here. So you see, learn more. Here is where you change the text, right? Then if you want to add a link to where people will click and to direct them, this is where you put the link. But we're not going to treat links today. Okay, so you can update your website, and when you go to the front end and refreshes, this is what you see. Right, so on this part, you want to add an image, so you drag an image from here to here, and this is it. So you can actually add a picture, select a picture from your system, and then upload the picture. It will be live on your website. Okay, if you look here now, this is your text here, and your image are not aligned. They are not aligning properly, so I want them to align well. So what I need to do is to come to this section, come to this column. If you look now, this kind of image icon looks two when you hover here. So for you to know exactly which one you are editing, come and click on this navigator. It will bring you this up. All right. So this now shows you this is the first section you added. That is the main, the whole stuff. If you click on this icon here, you see drop down of things. Let me minimize. All right. So this is the inner column, right? Then this inner column that we have, it has inner section, and inside our inner section we have two columns. We have where we added our text and where we added our image. So this is where we added our text, and that is what I said we want to edit, we want to make it align with our image. So we click on this column here and come here on vertical align, click on it and bring it to middle. So you see it has brought this into middle, then we can update, right? So this is what we have. At least it's looking nice now. Okay, so let's say we want to add a background image to this and this, so both sections. So we have to come to this section. We want to add background image to the entire section. That is to for the column, for the two columns to have the same background. All right, so we come to style, click on the section itself, come to style, then background, click on this classic. I want to put a color, so you can come here and hover around to see the color you want. So anyone that suits what you want, you can leave it there and you click OK. So this, we have created a hero section. You can come back to this, your website, refresh it and see the changes. Boom. So here now you created a home page and you see that the home page is appearing on top here. All right. Okay, that's beautiful. And this is sample page. Remember, we have two pages: sample page and privacy policy. The privacy policy will show here because of the settings already. All right. So that is it so far, and I believe you can practice and do this exact thing we've done. Let's say we want to add another section again so that you understand what section it is. We click on this button, and this time around, we want to add. Three sections, all right? So here, click on it. It will be added one. Let me do this. Or let me bring it down. So here you see we have 1, 2, 3. So we have added 3 columns inside this section. If you open it up, you see we have 1, 2, 3 columns, right? Okay, so what you want to add here is now up to you. Maybe you want to add the services that you render. You can come here, put your heading, and then put your text. Go back to where you can pick your tools. Do the same thing here, and here again, do the same thing. Back again here, do the same thing, and then do the same thing, right? So you see, if you now save and go to your website, the front end of your website, and refresh, this is what you have. Okay, but it is not aligning well. The space between the two of them are not coming out sharp. So for you to add that space, you click on the entire section and come to advanced, and then here you'll be able to choose your margin and your padding. If you type, just observe the change. Now I want to write 5. You see it's shifting down a bit. Let's say we add 0 again to 50. You see it has dropped down entirely. Alright, so this top margin, this margin controls the outside space between two sections. This is section for the first section and the second section. So if we take it back to 0, you see there's no more space here. The margin controls the space outside the section, the two space. Now if I want to add padding to this, the padding will control the space on the inside. Do you see what happened? When I added margin, space was created on the outside, And when I added padding, there was space that created on the inside. So that is how to create space between two sections and inside section. So you have to plan your margin and your padding properly. So if you refresh, you see that those spaces have been created. Alright, I think this is looking more nice. So you can edit to what you want. You can say service 1. I'm going to copy that. Service 2 and service 3. So that is it to save, and then when you refresh your reload the website, you see that the changes has been effected. Alright, you can also add buttons to this. You can add button to this. You can add button to all of them. Bam. So remember how you used to change the text of a button. When you click on this button, you see click here, you can click here to maybe see more or view more or read more. Anyone you want to read more, so you can copy it, read more for all of them, so that when they want to read more about your service, they can click on that and boom, they are there. Alright, so basically you see that what we do here is just drag and drop to your specification. You can look at other people's websites and then mirror to do what you want to do. Let's say we have two sections here. We want to add, just like we have here, an image and so let's add image here. You can decide to add an image here, and then you can also decide to add a heading and a text on this side. Or let us say you want to add a Google map. So if you're adding a Google map, what you need to do, there's no internet here now, that's why it's not showing. But you have internet and you put your address. Boom, it's going to show, but I don't have internet on this system right now. So if you do that, your stuff, your address is going to show, and that is it. So that is how to edit with Elementor. We'll do more practical, but for now, practice what we have just done now. Remember how to add an image, click here, and then you'll be able to add an image like this, so your image is there, right? Okay, so this is how to do that. Start practicing this and let us see how far you can go with this. Then I will show you another tool, but first of all, you have to master this tool first. If you don't master this one, you'll not be able to use the other tool I'm going to show you. That one is how to import an entire website, but for that one you have to be online, so you need to learn this one first so that you'll be able to do that one. That one, you just select the template of the website, click on it, and the whole website comes to you. Right? Thank you.
Please remove him now from that.